Hey everyone, Paul Maynard with ColorfulVirtualTours.com. Here's a quick update on the mandate that most of you have been getting, and it is stating that there are no in-person showings or open houses right now. Now, it does not specifically state that photographers and virtual tour operators like myself fall within that because it is a gray area. Now, the reason I know this is I do stay in contact with a lot of other photography companies regarding this specific mandate, and right now their attorneys have been saying that it's business as usual as long as we are following the social distancing strict policy that was put out by the state of Colorado, which I've been following. And if you've been following me in any of my videos, you see how I am complying with that. So basically, when I'm scanning a house, no realtors can be in the house with me, no homeowners can be in the house, no pets, no children. There's absolutely no human contact whatsoever, so I can keep everybody safe, so I can keep the public safe, so I can keep everyone feeling at ease, and then how we can continually move business forward with doing iGuide virtual tours. So I just wanted to give you an update on that. If anything changes, of course, I'll be making an update about that as well. I'm following the strict guidelines. I'm following everything that's been put into place. And so I just wanted to share this message with you. And if you have any more questions, please reach out to me. And until we hear from the governor saying specifically photographers are non-essential, virtual tour operators are non-essential, we'll keep doing business as usual. So stay safe, be vigilant. Please follow the strict social distancing policy, not only in your business, but out of your business. Have a great day. Stay safe. Talk to you soon.